I am here today to explain to you the scheme called Vivad Se Biswas 2020. It has been enacted by the Parliament in March 2020, and the scheme is motivated with an idea that the litigation and the disputes surrounding the taxpayer and the department, they are required to be managed, and in so doing lot of benefits will also come to the taxpayer. The tax department and the taxpayer, sometime or the other, they create situations in which the demands are raised against the taxpayer, and these demands are lying at various forums, including the Commissioner Appeal, the Tribunal, the High Court and the Supreme Court. This particular scheme allows the taxpayer the great benefit of settling his tax disputes against payment of taxes. On one side, it is expected that the taxpayer will avail of the scheme and will pay only the taxes. The tax will include the surcharge and the cess, but on the other hand, the taxpayer gets relief from payment of penalty and interest, and also there would be no prosecution proceedings which will be instituted against him for future for the tax arrears which he has settled. This is a remarkable scheme. It is very innovative because it allows the taxpayer the leverage to control the litigation he is waging against the department, as also he is given a leverage also to look at the departmental appeals which are filed against him, and also to take the benefit of the scheme. So he controls his own litigations and he also controls the litigation initiated by the department. In settling many the majority of the tax disputes, the department and the government also would be ensured of some additional revenue which will go again for the national development and growth. This is the gist and the substance of the scheme. The scheme is still open. Applications are due to us by the time barring date, which is 31st of December 2020. The taxpayer, by filing the application, can make the payment up to 31st of March 2021. This is a scheme which is very innovative and very taxpayer friendly. Taxpayer, by settling the tax disputes, only shall concentrate on his own business without bothering for the tax arrears. Tax arrears hampers the taxpayer's peace of mind. It also impairs the assets, because with a contingent liability of lot of tax demand, the assets which the taxpayer has created also they lose value, intangibly they lose value. So by settling the tax disputes and coming with a clean slate to the department, many of the issues with regard to the cost of tax litigations, expending of energy and time in pursuing these litigations, they will stop. We hope that many taxpayers who are interested in settling their cases will come under the scheme and will make the scheme a resounding success in AP and Telangana. Thank you.